Wengeneza wethu impela abajabule bafa bokufika badabuka ePakistan nase-Ethiopia ngenkathi phela umthakathi batshela ukuthi-ke sebengaqala-ke bavula izitolo zabo-ke edolobheni-ke kwaNongoma. Bafethu-ke ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu ngicela baniqale ngenibingelele kuyona ngembuso City MTV City nje uma usuqala ngonini channel ake wenza kulungile uciphize usubscribe na notification bell kozithola zonke izindaba eshisayo nazo-ke ezitrendayo. Hayi-ke wengeneza wethu impela abajabule bafaka bokufika badabuka e-Ethiopia-ke nasePakistan ngenkathi-ke benomhlangano-ke nophayela umthakathi ebazisa ukuthi-ke sebengaqala-ke bavule-ke amabhizinisi wabo okubala-ke iziplaza shop phana-ke edolobheni-ke lakwaNongoma. Kanti-ke wengeneza wethu impela bese banxusa ukuthi-ke njengoba-ke ene-bootcamp-ke eyaziwa-ke ngeBhunga Boys Bootcamp-ke sebengalula-ke isandla sabo njengoba-ke le bootcamp-ke ilekelela-ke abantu-ke abangenabazali-ke ibakhulisa. Kanti-ke wengeneza wethu impela uphinde wabanxusa ukuthi-ke abayeke ukukhokhela-ke amaphoyisa futhi-ke bayekele ukukhokhela-ke nazo-ke izinkabi-ke ukuthi-ke zizodubula bona-ke abantu-ke abamnyama ukuthi uma ngabe kukhona-ke amaphoyisa-ke afuna ukuthi-ke akhokhelwe-ke idrinki-ke babekuvusane-ke bathathe-ke yona-ke ifoni-ke babarekhode babese-ke bathathe ividiyo-ke bayise kuyena-ke uphakele umthakathi njengoba-ke amaphoyisa-ke esebenza futhi-ke ahola-ke engasebenzile futhi-ke nemali-ke bengasizi-ke umphakathi-ke ngayo. Hayi-ke wengeneza wethu impela uphakele umthakathi kube sebanxusa-ke bona-ke labo kufika ukuthi-ke bahambise-ke amaphepha wabo-ke abagunyaza ukuthi babelana-ke eMzansi pha kuyena yena-ke uzabese-ke esevolontiya-ke wathatheke lamaphepha-ke ayowasheka phana-ke ePitoli ukuthi ngakuba ngempela-ke wona-ke lamaphepha-ke awaphethe-ke akawona-ke umbombayi. Hayi-ke wengeneza wethu impela zinjalo indaba bese niphathele zona la kuyona-ke imbuso City MTV kodwa-ke ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu bafethu sicela basinishiyele-ke yona ile nkulumo phela umthakathi-ke eqoshwe yena-ke uKing Zoso nani-ke nizwele.
That's fine. Open your shops and produce your documents to the municipality. I need to see them. I will see them. I will take them to Pretoria voluntarily with my petrol and my car because I want to know who's here. And when we have these boot camps for the boys, I conduct boot camps for the boys. I will be coming to your shops. You need to make donations for these boys that don't have fathers and mothers and those orphans in the areas. All right. So you must do that. Yeah.